is a direct import from lead docket, right? This is every lead that came in this month. It's really easy to decipher the information once I can see it all, including the referring URL, the UTMs, the date retainer signed, all of that stuff, right? So I color coordinate everything because I'm visual. So wanted, retained, so I can turn around and tell them exactly, hey, we have 28 retained, we have 8 that were lost because they were rejected by the client, right? This is our CPA, this is our cost per opportunity, this is our cost per acquisition.
Say wanted, that's what the goal was for the firm?
No. Wanted means they want the case, but it's not retained yet.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
And so it's like I said, different KPIs in different markets, right? We were trying to keep it under $2,000. As far as a CPA, I would consider it somewhat successful if it's between 15 and 2,000, and anything below 1,500 is in the green for acquisitions. For opportunities, it's under 1,000, right? So that's why all of this is in green. Some of it's in red, but overall, we have a CPA of $859.70 and a CPA of $1,228.14. When I can go to the client and say, okay, this is what we're doing, this is how we do it, and these are the numbers, there's absolutely nothing they can say about that.
This is really, really great.